Quick question, be honest. How many times did you say, I'll start tomorrow, and then didn't? Second question, why does everyone else seem to have it together, while you're stuck in the same procrastination loop? Here's the real question. What if the problem was never you? What if it was just one missing routine? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what that routine is and why your brain's been working against you this whole time. The problem, let's be honest for a second, you're not lazy, you just never had a system. Your brain isn't broken, it's just running on chaos. No structure, no triggers, no rhythm. And here's the science part. Your brain doesn't crave motivation, it craves consistency. Motivation is a feeling, it comes and goes. Routine is a system, it stays. That's why some people seem to have it together. They're not smarter than you. They just built habits that run on autopilot. So let's build yours, section by section, starting with the moment you open your eyes. Morning. The first 10 minutes after you wake up decide your entire day. This is called priming. Whatever you do first sets the mental tone for everything after. Most students wake up and grab their phone. Big mistake. That's like feeding your brain 50 random inputs before it even boots up. Here's the fix. Simple. Do this instead. Phone stays away for the first 10 minutes. Drink a glass of water. Your brain's been dehydrated for 7 to 8 hours. Open the curtains. Light tells your brain wake up mode. It's called circadian signaling. Write down one task. Just one, not 10. That's it. No complicated morning routine with yoga and journaling and cold showers. Just these 4 things. Because clarity beats motivation. When you know your one task, you don't waste energy deciding. You just do it. Imagine Ali, average student, failing 2 subjects. He started doing this. One task every morning before touching his phone. 3 weeks in, he wasn't failing anymore. Nothing else changed. Just the first 10 minutes of his day. That could be you. Let's keep going. Afternoon. Afternoon is where most students lose the whole day. You know the feeling. You sit down to study, and somehow 2 hours disappear into your phone. Here's why. Your brain's focus isn't infinite. It runs in cycles, roughly 25 to 45 minutes of deep focus, then it needs a break. Scientists call this ultradian rhythm. If you fight this, you burn out. If you work with it, you win. So here's your afternoon system. Pick one subject, not 5. Study in 25-minute blocks. Phone in another room. Take a 5-minute break. Walk. Stretch. Don't scroll. Scrolling doesn't rest your brain. It just switches the chaos. Repeat 3 times. That's under 2 hours. That's enough. I know what you're thinking. That's too short. I need more. No. 2 focused hours beat 6 distracted hours. Every single time. This is the part where most people quit. It feels small. It feels like it's not enough. But small, consistent action beats big, inconsistent motivation. Always. Evening. Evening is where burnout actually starts. Not from working too hard, from never truly stopping. Your brain needs a clear off signal. Without one, you're mentally studying even when you're not. That's called cognitive residue. It's why you feel tired even on days you didn't do much. So here's your evening reset. Set a hard stop time for study. Same time every day. Do a 2-minute shutdown. Write tomorrow's one task. This closes the loop in your brain. No phone in bed. Read, stretch, or just lie down in silence for 5 minutes. This is the part students skip the most, but this is the part that prevents burnout before it even starts. You don't need more hustle, you need better rest. Rest that's actually quick cue, not just collapsing at midnight. Mindset. Now here's the real secret. Routines fail not because of bad planning. They fail because of one thought. I already messed up today, so what's the point? That thought right there. That's the thing keeping you stuck. Not your schedule, not your subjects. That one sentence. Here's what you need to understand. One missed day doesn't erase progress. It's the pattern that matters, not the perfection. I know this feeling. That heavy feeling when you look at your unfinished to-do list and just want to give up entirely. I get it. Almost every student watching this has felt that exact same weight. But here's the truth. You don't need a perfect day. You need a repeatable one. Something so simple you could do it even on your worst day. That's the whole point of routine. It doesn't rely on how you feel. It just runs. Conclusion plus CTA. So let's recap fast. Morning, 1 task. No phone first. Afternoon, 25-minute focus blocks. Evening, a real shutdown, not a collapse. Mindset, progress over perfection. This isn't complicated, it's simple. And simple is exactly why it works. Your life doesn't change in one day, but it can start changing with one routine, starting tomorrow morning. So here's your job. Don't just watch this and move on. Pick one thing from this video, just one. Do it tomorrow. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I'm posting more videos like this every week to help you actually get your life together, one habit at a time. Drop a comment telling me which part you're starting with tomorrow. I read every one. See you in the next video. Let's go.